Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I will be showing you how to peel your beans for making your moi moi and akara in this video using your blender. This is my already picked beans. Firstly, I will wash it into my blender bowl. I will add enough water into the bowl to cover the beans and place it on the mortar base. I'll be using my Ninja 3-in-1 food processor, which has auto IQ setting. When I placed my bowl in on top of the motor base, it's going to show me the blend and mass blend button. But because I'm peeling these beans, I don't want to blend it. I'm going to be using the manual button, which is the pause. I'll be using the pause button to control the movement of my blender. And I'm going to do this for 1 to 2 minutes until the beans is well peeled. The conventional way we used to peel our beans when growing up as a child is by washing it with our hands, and sometimes it takes a longer time and we even end up injuring ourselves. Like myself, whenever I peel beans with my hand, I end up injuring myself. So technology has made it a lot more easier. Some even go on to use their mortar and pestle to kind of pound on their beans so that the chaff will be separated from the beans itself. All thanks to technology for inventing this. So after peeling my beans, we go on to remove it from the mortar base. The next step is to sieve out the chaff of the beans until it is well sieved out. I will do this gradually. I tried sieving it from the blender bowl, but it's not working, so I have to transfer it to a bigger bowl to enable me to do this well. One disadvantage about the conventional way of peeling your moi moi is that it makes your moi moi too soft after cooking it, because it has absorbed much water during the long wash time, making it mushy after cooking. So this process is going to take me for like 2 minutes for me to completely sieve out all this chaff. If you have been watching this video till this point, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell button so that you will get my notification whenever I drop a video. I always post a video every week. So guys, I'm still growing this page. We need your suggestions in the comment box. Please kindly place your suggestion on this comment box. It will help me in growing this page. So this is what the chaff we've sieved out. We go on to do this until everything is out. Then my beans is ready for blending for my moi moi and for my akara. So this whole process makes it a lot easier for you if you want to make your moi moi or your akara. You don't need to spend much time peeling your beans. So guys, if you like this video, please kindly share. A lot of people might still be doing it the conventional way even when they have their blender, and if you don't have your blender, please kindly do it the conventional way. yes, it's just going to take time, but then it will still come out good. So guys, take a look at what our beans looks like. Within 2 minutes, our beans is all clean, ready for the next step. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye bye.